Critical library mismatch involving the DirectUser module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. While we explore the technical guide for DirectUser module, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the DirectUser module. It manages the orchestration of complex UI animations and input handling for system-level controls. It provides a layer of abstraction for high-level object manipulation within the Windows shell. Corruption in Duser.dll causes critical failure in the Windows login screen and the Start menu, leading to Logon Process Initialization Failure errors. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing DirectUser module DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including DirectUser module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Replacing DirectUser module without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to DirectUser module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped DirectUser module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.